Got a bit less outside with it.
Yeah, stay outside with it, baby.
Stay outside.
Stay outside.
Man, Robert said he cutting that thing off at 3:30, man.
Hey, turn it off as long as you're in the front. I don't care.
Yeah.
Turn that motherfucker off. Turn it off. Just make sure we got some distance between them first.
Yeah, that's it. Bad idea for going to battle. Y'all Mississippi in the house.
Oh, stay in the house, baby. We worldwide.
Yes, sir.
Worldwide, baby. 100% worldwide.
Yes, sir, y'all. They both got the original. This one I was just on Facebook, y'all. We were just on Facebook. We ain't even have a YouTube. Yeah.
Damn sure did.
Nope.
You gotta be special to get that first step.
Yeah. Can't everybody get that, man. Everybody can't get that.
Stay on that.
Yes,
You gotta be special to get that.
That's it. Somebody ain't trying to. Oh, it's up. It's up and running. Oh, we got two of them. Gotta give you a power stick. All right, here we go.
Hey, who's the bad one?
Come on. Get up there. How much? Lock it in. How much?
2,500. Y'all got the one that wants that shit. Fuck you waiting on. Motherfucker. That nigga got the one that wants.
Let's get Lamar. I don't have no business getting this car no head up clip, man. Look at all that shit he got in that motherfucker, man. They're gonna put this on there. Look at all that shit, man. Look at all that shit. Look at all that shit. I gotta clear him. Go down there and get the footage. I gotta clear him.
You know you ain't gonna do it.
I'm gonna try.
You know you ain't gonna do it. Hey, Kate. What's Kate getting?
You gotta clear it. You gotta clear it.
Oh. We finna stuff Robert ass.
What you finna do, son?
Finna beat the fuck out of Rob with this little ass motor we got. Finna beat the fuck out of Rob. Finna beat the fuck out of you.
Man, we finna
No
disappear on that
business getting this
motherfucker.
nigga all that in racing.
Rob, I got you fucked up.
Let me down, son.
I got
I ain't got no business getting that kind of. Look at this collar, man. The doors, the fenders, and shit don't even match.
Take that out. Delete the edit that shit.
Hey, what they want me to do?
I'll see him.
Hey, what they want me to do? All glass, all steel? Hey, I can come back in and do it too. I can do it all the way around this motherfucker.
All around the car.
All glass, all steel. Ain't no motherfucker. Hey,
Yeah.
real car.
Yeah.
Against a goddamn pro mod.
Yeah.
Ain't that some shit?
All that motor.
But guess what? We'll try some shit, baby.
Yes, sir.
We'll try some shit.
Yes, sir.
Huh? It's
Yes,
a bad idea. And they finna see. They
be a
finna
bad
see
idea.
it's finna be a bad
It's gonna be a
idea.
bad idea.
Cause we'll try something, baby.
Okay, there it is.
A small block against a mountain motor.
And we trying to clear him too, man.
It's all good.
Damn.
We'll try something.
Don't touch it, Robin. Now.
What the fuck is this?
That's that shit.
That's for the run the carburetor. They're right here.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's the main line. That's the main line. Hey, Rob, look right there and watch that line move.
I hooked that microphone.
Hey, Robert, I swear to God, ain't no nights on. I'm my mama.
Right on.
Robert, I swear to God, we spray you. I'm gonna pay you, bro. We just gonna beat the fuck out of you, bro.
There you go.
Hey, Wick, I'm up next, man. Get this shit right. I come all the way down here for nothing.
I gotta run all that, clear all that out.
I'm finna come here, Wick. I want your honest opinion. Do I supposed to get him the head
Wick,
up clear?
you don't got nothing to do with this.
Look at this shit he got, Wick. I'm back, son.
Yeah, you supposed to if you feel you supposed to.
There you
Wick,
go.
look at that.
And
bitch.
my
I wouldn't
girl
give a damn what it got. If you feel like you
Fuck it, Wick said I'm gonna
yeah.
Tell it.
I gotta do it. Fuck
You
it.
feel comfortable, do it.
We're going to show you how bad we are.
It ain't what I got to.
I'm still gonna drive your car.
It's
nigga.
your decision.
Fuck all that.
I'm still gonna
With
drive
that
your
ring,
car.
I kept it cordial. Cause we finna beat the fuck out of you, Robert.
We getting it fucking on over him.
Hey, Wick, an hour after, you can push Eddie Kane up there. I want that bitch too. An hour
fuck
after.
that crackhead motherfucker
An
up.
hour after, I want him too.
You
Wait a
heard,
minute,
goddamn
we
it.
finna fuck you up, boy. Fuck that crackhead.
Hey, fine, look at
Motherfucker
me,
better
bro.
go to rehab.
You got it.
Yeah, done singing, motherfucker. Fuck Eddie Kane.
I love it. You know better. You know better.
Son know better. Son just want to
Hey,
race.
hey, I want to have
Fuck
fun.
that
Hey,
nigga.
but listen, that
No,
bitch,
he can't
then
win.
we ain't got, then that bitch ain't gonna
Hey.
blow the tires.
I'm
nothing.
gonna
They got
cut
me
that
to that bitch.
I'm gonna cut that motherfucker off.
Man, Robert, grab that stamina.
I bet you 100 you better turn
Robert,
that.
don't grab the stamina, Robert. Robert, do what you do, Robert. Let the one down hold the stamina button out the woman so they know you ain't gonna grab it. That motherfucker grab that stamina. Goddamn it,
I swear to God, you let that one down and let somebody off. I swear to God.
Son, don't you run behind that motherfucker, cause Forever Grudge gonna get you.
Hey, Boosie gave me 100 bet with us. Okay.
What's Short at? Short it. He's so high. He's so high. He's so high.
That shit was a clear.
Hey, they better get glad. What is that clear? Yeah, that shit over with. He popped.
Then you see him go to pop. That boy, he better get some new glasses over there. Forever Gold, he needs some new glasses out there, man.
Hey, they can't see. Goddamn, they blind and can't see. Who turned the light on? Oh, okay. I ain't got to argue about it no more. He supposed to clear us.
He supposed to clear y'all.
He supposed to clear us.
God, dog.
And he got,
Leave it.
well, I told him, know what I think about him? Them niggas love Facebook. I'm a real nigga. I love to come out and whoop ass for real.